If you're looking for a solid vacuum cleaner for your car that is portable and has a strong suction, you definitely want to consider this one. It's got a lot of great features. It works efficiently. It gets into those spaces and those crevices that are difficult to get into. And in the end, this is going to save you money because you don't have to go with an expensive car detailing service. You can do a lot of this yourself. And this is one of those products that allows you that type of freedom. So let's get into the details of the unboxing. And once you do unbox this, you'll see everything that this comes with. It has the vacuum device itself, which measures 16 inches in length. It has accessories as well, which includes a 2-in-1 brush, a small cleaning brush, the filter, the USB cable, the wall charger, and then an 8-piece replacement filter, which is nice to have. This is cordless. So when you are charging this, you just plug the charger into the wall, and then you stick the primary portion of this vacuum into the charger, and it's going to charge automatically. It's also a one-touch operation with the power button. So once you are ready to use this, you just press that power button with your thumb and you get to cleaning. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I had a couple of vehicles that definitely needed some debris to be vacuumed up. And that debris was located in some places that were extremely hard to reach. And this handheld vacuum did the job. It was able to suction and take care of a lot of the smaller debris. Now, if you have material that you can actually pick by hand, you're probably going to want to do that because in my experience, I noticed that it seems to do a lot better with some of that smaller debris that is difficult to get to. Now, this does have an exceptional battery life. Once you do charge this up for 3.5 to 4.5 hours, it's going to give you 18 to 25 minutes of working time, which is going to allow you to take care of a lot of that debris in your car that you might otherwise have had to take to a car detailing service. This isn't just for cars, too. You can use this for home cleaning, pet cleaning. This is going to take care of a lot of things inside your home, and I like that it is multi-use. If I want to use it for the car, I can do that. Otherwise, I can certainly use it around the house. It is lightweight. It is comfortable in your hand, and it's only about 1 pound. So you're going to be able to carry this around and maneuver it without any problem. And I did mention the strong suction. It actually is a 2-suction mode, so you can have more powerful suction. If you want to, you just press that power button twice. And this is designed to take care of pet hair, cat litter, paper scraps, cigarette ash, crumbs, dust, and more. 2 thumbs up for this handheld vacuum. I like that it's cordless, that the battery works well, and it has that suction to take care of that extra debris that none of us really want in our vehicles. Thanks for watching.